Welcome to the D.A.M Salsa cooking channel. Today we will be making bruschetta with D.A.M medium salsa.
We are doing a Bruschetta Caprese. Our first thing we have to do is oil the crostinis, put them in the oven 400 degrees. We're going to top it off with the medium, fresh mozzarella, fresh basil, and glaze it with a balsamic vinegar. Now the crostinis are ready to take out of the oven. Put each crostini on a plate. You want to fan it out, make sure it looks nice and beautiful presentation-wise. And you got to understand this is a cold dish right here, so you don't have to worry about heating it up or anything like that. It'll keep it in the refrigerator. Small teaspoon of that. You can always add as much as you want, but you don't want too much because you don't want it to soak into the bread. You want your crostini to be really nice and toasty. One slice on like that. Then we grab the fresh basil, a couple leaves on each crostini. And some fresh tomatoes on the side over here. You got your green, yellow, and your red. Then, we have some beautiful balsamic vinegar. And there you go. D.A.M salsa, Bruschetta Caprese.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and don't forget your D.A.M salsa.